SD Touch 2. Export recipes to USB drive. To export recipes to a USB drive, insert the USB drive into the oven's USB socket. Go to Settings and enter your PIN. Go to Files and press on Export. Press on Recipes to export the recipes to connected USB drive. When the export has been completed, a status window appears. Press on the X in the top right corner to close the status window. All recipes are now exported to the USB drive.